Hello everyone, this is Selva and you're watching Selva Speak. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to prepare for open book exam. I'll tell you all the strategies that worked so well for me.
என்னடா எழுதுற?
ஆன்சர் சார்.
நான் இன்னும் क्वेश्चन பேப்பர் கொடுக்கல.
The first thing is mindset. Mark mukyam bigile. You should catch all the marks that you left in your previous exam. Know your teacher well. Refer the books that your teacher suggests and follow. Since it's open book, majority of teachers will try to cover everything in syllabus. So have a copy of your syllabus in hand and prepare accordingly. So what do you require? Your class copy, must books, mobile phones for preparing, attention and interest. Still remember one of my friend not knowing what is what in organic chemistry had the same book that our teacher took question from, but he don't know where to stop. See here, if you cross boundary, you will get only 6, not 10. Remember.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
For sure, everyone would be writing well. How your answer script differs from others. So make it diagrammatic and graphical whenever necessary, but don't make it dramatical. Thing is, should not copy notes from others. Make it on your own.
அட பாவி பிள்ளையார் சொல்லிய கூட காப்பி அடிக்கிறானே.
If you're feeling something hard, for that alone you can have a book. Don't take n number of books and spoil your time. I've shared all my strategies. The top secret, the cherry on the cake is I'll go and read. Only that will give a feel to my teacher that I have studied, and also it helps me for semester exam. Hope you're finding it useful. For more videos like this, suggest me some topics in comment section. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe Selva Speak. Thanks for watching.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want.